up, everybody? This is Titans of CNC, and I'm here with my boy Stuart.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
So check this out. It is a beast. We just got this Tombstone from Shunk. It's got the Vero-S on steroids on one side, and then it's got M12 threads all across the back. The entire Tombstone is just about possibilities. It's about opportunities to build extreme fixturing quick and easy, and I'm excited. It's like Christmas right now. All right, so let me explain a couple things. So the really cool thing here is that we're going to be teaching you guys out there about possibilities, about just different work holding solutions. We got the Aerospace Academy is coming out in June. And through it, you can learn the process of actually making incredible aerospace parts. And to do that, we're using different fixturing techniques because you're machinists. You just have to see it to understand it. So when you look in the Makino already, you guys have already seen the videos that we put out with the Vero-S Flex, the beast chuck that's right there. We actually machine a crazy titanium part with that chuck, and you get to see the finished product when the Aerospace Academy comes out. So in other videos, we've seen Stuart actually with the Vero-S on the DMU, where he actually made a big fixture. He put the clamping pins on the bottom and then dropped the fixture into the Vero-S system. Crazy, right? And it's so easy, it's repeatable. You can change it out, put vices in quickly and efficiently. On this Tombstone, it's the same process, but now we're gonna deal with big things and we're gonna deal with small things, all right? So let me show you an example on how this actually works. So Stuart, can you help me out on this? Yeah. All right, so check this out. This is a good way to actually show you how it works. So this is a fixture membrane from Shunk. It's how we clamp onto round parts on a mill, right? Now check this out. You have a clamping pin down here. This clamping pin is genius because you can take this pin or 2 pins or 5 or 10 pins, right? And you can hook it to pretty much any type of work holding. So Shunk vices, custom tombstones, membranes like this, boom, you put the clamping pin in, and then you have a locating pin right here that engages right here, okay? Now I'll just do it. So Stuart is gonna actually take the air, he's gonna pop it in up here. You're gonna see these guys are gonna open. Boom, you saw that? Stuart, go ahead and release the air. Now watch right in there. It closes. Awesome, total precision. So go ahead and put the air, you'll see it open. There you go. And then I'm gonna take this guy right here. I'm just gonna line it up right here. Get it nice and tight. There you go. Now, it can move. I could take it off right now. But Stuart's gonna release the air. And you heard that click. This thing ain't going anywhere. So now if I had a part in here, it would just close on that part, boom. You can put as many as you want on here at a time. Now, one of the cool things about the fixture membrane is it grabs a part similar to a chuck on a lathe, but you do it on a mill, and that is genius. And you not only can you run round parts, but you can run complex geometries like stars and just different shapes. You cut them right into the membrane, boom, and then it clamps from all sides and just locks in place, centering it perfect. So not only is it cool for a horizontal, but it's great just on a vertical, changing parts in and out. We'll show you more about the fixture membranes in coming videos, all right? So now let's actually talk vices. We can have the membrane here. I'm gonna go grab a vise and I'm gonna show you how we can actually install it on the other side, okay? Boom, we got little baby vices, right? So little Shunk vise right here. I could take this guy, and there's a special pin that actually drops into this, where you can actually sit this guy right here, boom. Or we can go with a bigger vise. Okay, release it. Boom, I felt it just lock in. Of course, when you guys do it, use a crane, use all your safety procedures. I simply grab the vise quickly just to show you guys how it locks in quick and efficiently. Now, one of the cool things about this Tombstone right here is the possibility, it's the endless options. And we're gonna show you possibilities. We're gonna show you all of these different types of parts out of different materials. But I'm excited because we're doing education on massive machines, and that's gonna be awesome. Another thing that we're gonna do is just really dive into how to run big, complex shapes and how to fixture those big, complex shapes in a way that you can duplicate the process every couple months when the job comes back up. So we're gonna create crazy fixture plates to take the raw material and machine the complex shape. Then we're gonna take another fixture plate, switch it out quickly, and then we're gonna take the complex shape, put it into the fixture plate, clamp it, finish the part, remove the plate in minutes, put a new plate in, and move on to another part, just truly speaking to the efficiency and how to make money in this game, how to be successful in this game by using the right tooling, the right fixturing, the right machines, having the right machinists, boom, making it happen every day. Shunk, this is a work of art. All machinists that worked on this right here, boom, I value you guys because this is beautiful. Thank you so much for the support. Boom, we're out.